First of all, we will go to package.json file and see I have autocannon version 7.10.0 and express 4.18.2 installed locally already. So if you want to install these packages, you can use npm install autocannon and npm install express. Now we will create index.js file and we will write our code in it. As we have Express installed already, we will import Express and we will also import PID from process package. Express function is a top level function exported by Express module which creates an Express application, and we will store it in a constant variable called app. Now we will make app listen to port 3000 and we will also log the port with process ID. Now we'll register a get route with a handler function. In that handler, we will take a value variable with a value of 1,000,000, and in a while loop, we will decrement it until it gets 0. We do it for the sake of some processing by the handler. We will also log the process ID and we will return an OK response from the handler. Now since we have autocannon installed locally, if we check the node modules directory and we go to the .bin directory, we see the autocannon command. So we will use the same command with this path. But before we do so, we will run our server. As you can see in the terminal, our server is running on port 3000 with the process ID 5136. Now we will use the autocannon command that we talked about with two options, -c, which stands for concurrent connections, and -d for duration in seconds. So we will load our server with 200 concurrent requests for 10 seconds and we will see the result. As you can see, our handler is handling the process with process ID 5136. Now you can see our server can serve 2276 requests per second without using cluster module. Now we will load our server again with the same number of concurrent requests for 10 seconds. And we will compare the results with the previous one. As you can see, this time we got 2410 requests per second. So the average value will be around 2300 requests per second.